WVTM 13's Dan Odell joins us live from the Board of Education office with the latest on this investigation. Dan?
Well, Sherry, this morning Superintendent Kathy Murphy met with the teacher and Hoover High School principal to talk about what happened. Last night, Dr. Murphy told WVTM 13 the teacher had admitted to using the N-word and had apologized. But Murphy has not decided what, if any, action to take, so the teacher remains on paid leave out of the classroom. The incident happened last Friday during a third period food and nutrition class at Hoover High School. As students were working on a project, they were playing music, a song by Tupac called Dear Mama. We sat down today with Diamond Levy and her mom. Diamond is the student who played that song on her phone in class, and she says the teacher used the N-word to tell her to turn the music off.
I was singing at the time. I was singing, and when she said it, she was like, turn that N song off.
It's a slur at this point. Like, it's not just a word, it's not just a term, it's a racial slur that causes pain. It stings when it's said.
Shanita Morrow, Diamond's mother, says she expects there to be consequences for the teacher, but she is not calling for her to be fired. She called this an isolated incident, but one she is taking very seriously. And just a few minutes ago, Morrow told me she now has a meeting tomorrow morning with Superintendent Murphy. We'll hear much more from Shanita and from Diamond coming up at 5. Live in Hoover, Dan Odell, WVTM 13.